So I'm just gonna play, watching eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching eyes go away.
Welcome back. Yes sir, YouTube family, we are back with yet another one. And guys, this one just came off the top of my mind. I was gonna do a wine, but I said why not, let's do a mead, because I'm pretty sure that the orange blossom honey that I have right here will complement this kumquat that we have over here, which happens to be dried. I decided to do this one, guys, because I was looking up the fruits for the season, and kumquat happened to be, I believe, in the spring season. So I was like, why not, let's do a kumquat mead. And like I said, I was thinking about doing a wine, but I wanted to try something different. And this happens to be dried kumquat, which we can make into a tea. I guess you guys is trying to figure out what kumquat is. I'll do a brief little commercial break, so you guys could get some details on that, and then we'll be right back. So, like I said, guys, I wanted to do something a little different on the channel. Like I said, I like to bring different fruits, different herbs, different spices, you know, give you guys a chance to see what is out there, what you can potentially make and come up with. And this one is not going to be any different. Basically, like I said, you're going to be using your honey as a base. We're going to make a tea out of the kumquats, and we're going to add the usual suspects as always. And since we're using honey, I have some Fermaid O, but once again, guys, my apologies, I didn't grab it, but I will be putting half a teaspoon of Fermaid O up in there for some nutrients and some nitrogen and all that other good stuff to help our yeast out. So to get to the process, like I said, we're gonna hurry up and go to these ingredients, so I just won't be blabbering alone. But we're gonna use 2 pounds of honey. Each of these containers each have 12 ounces of honey up in there, so we have 2 pounds worth of honey right here. We're going to be going with 6 ounces of this kumquat tea, which, like I said, is nothing but dried kumquats that I actually picked up in an Oriental market. Guys, make sure you check around in different markets, different surroundings, because you might come across some fruit, dried fruits or powdered fruits or anything like that that you can use in making your wine. So anyway, like I said, we're using 6 ounces of the kumquats, dried kumquats. We will be using the Earl Grey black tea for our tannin, and we will be using a quarter of a lime for our acid. We have right here in the back our 1 gallon of water. I just went ahead and pre-poured it out of a bigger container that I did have. We have the usual suspects as far as our hydrometer back here with our graduated cylinder, the carboy, the airlock, and the bung, and the water, well, the sanitized water that comes up in there. But guys, like I said, enough with the blabbering. I hope you guys enjoy this one for the spring, and I have some more interesting ones coming up. But on to the process.